welcome back to the channel. Jackery is expanding from outdoor power into balcony solar and home energy storage, and that is why they have sent me the SolarVault 3 Pro to test and review. The launch of the SolarVault 3 series marks a milestone for Jackery, offering a new generation of plug-and-play solar storage systems designed to meet diverse household energy needs. This video contains my first impressions, and let's see if the SolarVault 3 Pro can meet my expectations. And small spoiler, this one exceeds my expectations. When we start to unbox, we have three different parts here. We have the SolarVault 3 Pro, the BP2500 and the SolarVault base. First we find the user manual for the base, and then the base itself. Next we move on to the SolarVault 3 Pro. And again we start with a user manual and two interlocking screws. The weight is 25.5 kilograms and has a capacity of 2.52 kilowatt hours. When we take a closer look to the accessories, we have the two interlocking screws and the user manual and two interlocking fasteners. Then we also have a mystery box. And inside we find the power cable and the MC4 cable remover. Let's continue with the extension battery. No surprise here, but we start with the user manual. The battery pack is a bit lighter, 21 kilograms, but also has a capacity of 2.52 kilowatt hours. First one in the comments with the right label will get a shout out in the next video. Next we find the mounting brackets and some nice anchor bolts to securely attach it to the wall. Let's take a closer look. On the front we have the power button, the IoT button and a really nice LCD screen. On the left side we find 4 MPPT ports and they are 1000 watt each. On the back we find a nice pattern to dissipate heat. And on the right side we find so many things, we need to take a closer look at that. First we have the AC socket, can be used for input and output with a maximum of 1200 watts. Then we have a vent, safety feature, a Wi-Fi antenna and an Ethernet port to directly connect it to your local area network, wired. Next we have the AC input / output, maximum of 1200 watt, but the connector, that makes this special. I really like this.
Nice.
And finally on the bottom we find the battery expansion port, nicely shielded off when not in use. Onto the battery pack. On top we find the battery connector. And on the bottom we have the battery expansion port covered with an insulation cap. Finally we have the base, designed to make sure the batteries keep their feet dry. And to finish off the really nice aesthetic look. And what I mean by that is that when we are finished with stacking the device, it looks like one device. Don't forget to take off the insulation cap. And this is the same for the SolarVault 3 Pro. Also, don't forget the interlocking fasteners. They're supposed to go on this way on the bottom side. Enough said, let's get started with installing the app. Just search for Jackery in the App Store or the Google Play Store, and make sure you install the Jackery app and not the Jackery Home app. And after we allowed the messages and accepted the license agreement, we're gonna log in with our Jackery account. If you do not have one, you can use the register button in the bottom. Don't forget the checkbox for all the agreements and then press login. This was really simple and straightforward. Now it's time to add some devices. We start by turning it on. When we turn it on, we can see the beautiful display for the first time. In the app, we're gonna press the add button and allow the app to search for devices. Then we select the SolarVault 3 Pro that has been found and select the country that we are in. In my case, the Netherlands. And then press next. Select your Wi-Fi network and fill in your password. Then when you press OK, it's starting to connect. And this is where my recording ended due to a phone call. And when I got back into the app, the battery was added. And as you can see, both the battery and the expansion battery are added. Next we need to add a smart device. And for this we go to the tab Other. When you read the text, press OK and continue to add. Allow your app to search your local network, and now it found my Home Wizard P1 meter. I select it and press OK. And since I'm impatient, it seems like it didn't work, so let's check. Nope. Check devices, go to the P1 meter and see, it took a little time to synchronize. And then we get to the most important thing after your first installation, the firmware upgrades. These will ensure the best performance of the device, but most important, these will ensure the highest security possible. And while we're upgrading, please leave a like and consider to subscribe. You would really help my channel out. And when the upgrade is done, the device is going to restart, and this will take a few seconds. Time to take a look at the different modes and features. Starting with the AI Smart mode. It is powered by the Jackery cloud-based AI service system, and it integrates dynamic tariffs, weather forecasts, consumption data and user habits to get the most savings out of your battery. And to achieve this, it needs your location. Agree to the data usage and press save. And then it will train itself for the next 24 hours to get started. Then we have self-consumption. In this mode, solar power is prioritized to supply loads. Tariff mode uses dynamic tariffs to charge at low tariffs and to discharge at high tariffs. And finally, custom mode can be used to set designated periods to charge and discharge your battery. And another feature is the AC socket off-grid. I attached my 3D printers to the port, and as you can see, they are fully functional. A nice feature is that when the battery drops below the percentage threshold you set in the app, it draws power from the grid to keep the battery above that threshold. As for the return of investment, I'll give an estimate on what you can save per year. In this calculation I included a 3-month dark period and I did not include the savings you can generate with dynamic tariffs. Besides the SolarVault 3 Pro, there will also be a Pro Max and a Pro Max AC available. The most important differences are no MPPT ports and the maximum AC capacity. The Pro Max and the Pro Max AC are designed for larger homes and families with higher power needs. And now it's time to give my honest opinion about the SolarVault 3 Pro. It is easy to use and this is by far the best looking design I have my hands on. The LCD display is really beautiful and gives you all the information you need. It has an AC cable with a nice lock system. The only thing that needs some improvement is the app, but Jackery assured me they are working hard on that. Only thing left for me to do is to thank Jackery for letting me review their device and asking you to check out the SolarVault 3 Pro on the Jackery website using the affiliate link in the description below. As always, a special thanks to my Patreons. And if you enjoy my content, please leave a like and consider to subscribe. I thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next.